2.
So at this point, I'm thinking I'm going to take my cooked spaghetti, I'm going to grab some of the Sunday gravy that has meatballs and sausages and pork, and I'm going to load it all up, take some cheese and grate it, grab a glass of wine, and I'm ready to go. Except, I am reading Stanley Tucci's book, Taste, a terrific memoir all about growing up in an Italian family, and lo and behold, I come across on page 70 the line, when the pasta is ready, the meat and the meatballs are removed from the sauce and set on a separate platter. Were I to ever place a meatball in my pasta bowl, I would be roundly chastised by my parents. So, as it turns out, Sunday gravy is not a big bowl of spaghetti and meatballs. It is 2 separate courses.